The report titled Connected Commerce Creating a Roadmap for a Digitally Inclusive Bharat has been launched by Niti Aayog in collaboration with which company MasterCard. Niti Aayog and MasterCard jointly released report on connected commerce creating a roadmap for a digitally inclusive Bharat. Gemini credit card to launch with MasterCard as network partner. RBL Bank partners MasterCard to launch Pay by Bank app. MasterCard and USAID partners to launch Project Kirana. MasterCard and Roger Pay join hand to make digital payments program accessible for MSMEs and startups. MasterCard partners with Singapore-based Atlantis to expand digital first program in India. MasterCard launches central bank digital currencies testing platform. MasterCard partners with Atlantis to expand digital first program in India. Airtel Group ties up with MasterCard for customized products for farmer SMEs. About MasterCard. Founded in 1966, MasterCard headquartered New York, United States. MasterCard's president Michael Mybeck, Executive Chairman Ajay Banga. Niti Aayog in news. Niti Aayog launches Poshan Gyan, a digital repository on health and nutrition information. Niti Aayog releases India Innovation Index 2.0. Niti Aayog and Flipkart collaborate to enhance the WEP. Niti Aayog will launch the first of its kind online dispute resolution ODR handbook in India. Niti Aayog launches Made in India cloud storage service DigiBox. Niti Aayog releases Vision 2035 public health surveillance in India. Niti Aayog releases electricity accesses in India and benchmarking distribution utilities report. About Niti Aayog National Institution for Transforming India. Niti Aayog formed 1st January 2015. Niti Aayog headquarter New Delhi. Niti Aayog chairperson is Narendra Modi, who is the Prime Minister of India. Niti Aayog chairperson is Rajiv Kumar. Niti Aayog CEO is Amitabh Kant. The National Technology Day is observed every year on which day? 9 May. In India, the National Technology Day is observed every year on 11 May. On 11 May since 2019 since 1919. Sorry, not 9 May, 11 May. List of the important days in May 2021. In 1st May, International Labour Day on or May Day or Maharashtra Day. 3rd May, Press Freedom Day. 4th May, Coal Miner Day, International Firefighters Day. 5 May, International Day of the Midwives, the World Hand Hygiene Day. 6 May, International No Diet Day. 7 May, World Athletics Day, Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. 8 May, World Red Cross Day and Thalassemia Day. 11 May National Technology Day. 12 May International Nurse Day. 15 May International Day of Families. 17 May World Telecommunication Day or World Hypertension Day. 18 May World AIDS Vaccine Day or International Museum Day. 21st May National Anti-Terrorism Day. 22nd May International Day for Biological Diversity. 31st May Anti-Tobacco Day. First Sunday of May World Laughter Day. First Tuesday of May World Asthma Day. Second Sunday of May Mother's Day. Third Friday of in the May World National Endangered Species Day. Third Saturday of the May Armed Force Day. Last Monday of the May National Memorial Day. Dog 1 mission to the moon is the first ever commercial lunar payload paid entirely in the cryptocurrency Dogecoin. The mission will be launched by which company? SpaceX. Under the mission, SpaceX will carry the 40 kilogram cube satellite dubbed as Dog 1 as a ride share on a Falcon 9 rocket. The payload will obtain lunar spatial intelligence for sensor and cameras on board with integrated communication and computational system. This launch will make Dog the first crypto in space as well as the first meme in space. SpaceX in news. SpaceX to launch Dog 1 mission to the moon paid entirely with cryptocurrency. NASA said to launch SpaceX Crew 2 mission on 22nd April with 4 astronauts on board. NASA awards $2.9 billion contract to SpaceX to build commercial moon lander. SpaceX successfully tested Starship SN10 prototype rocket. NASA selects SpaceX to launch SpaceX mission. SpaceX breaks the ISRO record by launching 143 satellites in a single mission. SpaceX launches the South Korea's military communication satellite NSS-2. SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft successfully docks to NASA astronauts at ISS after historic launch. SpaceX launches 60 satellites under 12th Starlink mission, claims 100 Mbps download speed. About SpaceX. SpaceX founder and CEO Elon Musk. SpaceX founded in 2002. SpaceX headquarters California, United States of America. Which player has been named as the ICC Men's Player of the Month for April 2021? Babar Azam. In January 2021, Rishabh Pant in men category and in women category from South Africa, Subnim Ismail. In February, in men's category, Ravichandra Ashwin and women's category, Tammy Beaumont. In March, Bhuvneshwar Kumar in men category and Lizel Lees in from South Africa in women category. In April, men's category Babar Azam and in women category Alyssa Healy from Australia. About ICC formation in 15 June 1909, headquarter ICC in Dubai, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Chairperson of ICC Garg Barclay from New Zealand and CEO of ICC is Manu Sahni. The International Day of Argenia is marked on which day? 10 May. The name the female cricket players who has won the ICC Women's Player of the Month for April 2021. Alyssa Haley. The creation cryptocurrency Dogecoin is inspired by which of these creature? Dog. Dogecoin featured the face of the Shiba Inu dog from the dog memes as its logo and namesake. In which of the following seas India and Indonesia navies have conducted the passage exercise on 9th May? Arabian Sea. Santir Ogrosina 2021 participating nation is India and Bangladesh. Conduct Bangladesh. The theme of the exercise is robust peacekeeping operation. Vajra Prahar 2021 Indo and Indonesia from in Bakloh in Himachal Pradesh. Passage exercise PASEX Indian Navy and Indonesian Navy and Arabian Sea. Iran Russian Maritime Security Belt 2021 India, Iran, Russia and Chinese Navy Indian Ocean. Dust leak second Indian and Uzbekistan in Chaubatia near Raniket. Exercise Desert Flag 6 United States, France, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arab, Bahrain, Greece, Jordan, Kuwait and Egypt. In Dafra Air Base, UAE. PASEC exercise India and Indonesia in Arabian Sea. Iran Russian Maritime Security Belt. Indian Navy joined Iran and Russian Northern Indian Ocean. Tropics 2021. Tropics 20, Tropics 21, Indian Navy, Indian Army, Coast Guard and Indian Air Force in Indian Ocean. 16th Yudh Abhyas, India and United States, Mahajan Field Fire Range of Bikaner district of Rajasthan. MFX 21, Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Force, Andaman Nicobar Group of Iceland. Indo-French Joint Exercise Desert Night 21, Indian Air Force and French Air Force Airspace for Air and Space Force. Air Force Station of Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Second edition of Sea Vigil 21, Indian Navy, Custom, Coast Guard and other maritime agency in Indian Navy. Which bank has launched the chatbot EVA as CSC's digital seva portal? HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank and Common Services Center of on 10th May launched chatbot EVA and CSC's digital seva portal to support the village level entrepreneurs in providing the banking service for the last mile rural consumers. Through EVA, VLES will learn about the product and services offered by the HDFC Bank, which will improve the services to the last mile customers, enhancing the banking services for the last mile. Chatbot in news. HDFC Bank partners CSC to launch the chatbot EVA. Haryana launches chatbot Aapka Mitra for admission related queries. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance AI artificial intelligence powered voice chatbot Ligo. Andhra Pradesh Bank launched an artificial intelligence chatbot Abhi. Apple Sarkar chatbot launched for Maharashtra. Lupin launches chatbot Anya for health related queries. HDFC Banking News. HDFC Bank project India's GDP growth of the financial year 2022 for at 10%. HDFC Bank partners CSC to launch the chatbot EVA. HDFC Bank top arranger to corporate bond deal with for financial year 21. RBI approves the Atanu Chakravarti as HDFC Bank's part-time chairman. HDFC Bank named India's best SME bank by Asia Money. HDFC Bank launches the Smart Api Unnati of for women entrepreneurs. RBI has appointed as external IT firm for carrying out a special audit of the IT infrastructure and HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank ranks top among the 100 BFSI firms in India. RBI direct HDFC Bank to stop the issuance of a new credit card. RBI ordered HDFC Bank to halt its digital launches. HDFC Bank launches the video known your customer facility. HDFC Bank to launch the Healthy Life program for its customer. HDFC Bank tops 2020 brand Jade top 75 most valuable Indian brand ranking. HDFC Bank signed MOU with Inventure Chamber of Commerce and Industries ICCI to support the SMEs and startups. HDFC Bank partnered with the Apollo Hospital to launch the Healthy Life program for its customer. HDFC Bank launches the e-Kisan Dhan app for farmer. HDFC Bank launches first of its kind card Saurya KGC Sasidhar Jug. About HDFC, MD and CEO of HDFC Bank is Sasidhar Jagdishan succeeded the Aditya Puri. The tagline of the HDFC Bank is "We understand your world." Headquarter Mumbai, founded in 1994 August in India. Revenue 1.47 lakh crore in Indian rupees and in US dollar 21 billion US dollar in 2020. Subsidiary HDFC Security and HDFC Financial Services. About Housing Development Finance Corporation of HDFC, established in 1977, headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra. MD Managing Director Mrs. Renu Shud Karnad, Vice Chairman and CEO Mr. Mr. KK M Mystery. Tagline with you right through. Puducherry has achieved the 100% tap water connection in rural area under which mission? Jal Jeevan Mission. Who has been appointed as the executive director of the Reserve Bank of India? Sri Jos J. Katur. Nomura has projected India financial growth 2020 GDP 2022 GDP growth at 10.8%. Which of the following has got RBI approval for prepaid payment business? Bajaj Finance Limited. Who became the first Indian person to win the Arab World Nobel Prize? Dr. Tahira Kutubuddin. Madampu Kunjukatan has passed away recently. He was an both A and B. Which state's policy has launched the mission Hausla to help COVID-19 patients get oxygen beds and plasma? Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand police has launched the drive the mission Hausla to help the people get oxygen bed and plasma for COVID-19 patients. The state's police is also helping the public in getting the ration ambulance and doing cremation of bodies. Uttarakhand CM Trivandra Singh Rawat resigned. Now the new CM name is Tirath Singh Rawat. Uttarakhand CM launches the Garokhi Pechan Chalikam Nam scheme. Uttarakhand set up a botanical garden to conserve the 210 species of trees of the Sivalik range. India's first pollinator park inaugurated in Haldwani, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand CM Trivandra Singh Rawat inaugurated the Suryadhar Lake at the Doiwala in Dehradun. India's first moss garden built in Nainital district of Uttarakhand. Ganga Avalokan, the first museum of river Ganga located at Chandi Ghat, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. PM Modi to inaugurate the 6 mega project in Uttarakhand under Namami Gange mission. India's longest motorable suspension bridge inaugurated in Uttarakhand's Tehri Gharwal district. ITBP ties up with the Uttarakhand government to promote the adventure tourism. Uttarakhand developed India's first snow leopard conservation system center. Ganga Kyak festival celebrated in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand first state in the country to implement the agriculture leasing policy. India's first glass floor bridge to replace the iconic Lakshman Jhula in Rishikesh in Uttarakhand. Full Devi festival celebrated in Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand became the India's first quarantine center for animals. Hope Portal, Hope helping out of people everywhere. Mukhyamantri Swarojgar Yojana in Uttarakhand. India's first leaching park developed in Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand. Garrison in Chamoli district declared as the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Harela festival celebrated in Uttarakhand. Governor Baby Rani Maur, Chief Minister Tirath Singh Rawat. Which country's population has crossed 1.4 billion? China. China launches robot prototype Neo 01 clear space debris. China names its first ever Mars rovers Zhurong. Sri Lanka inks 3-year USD 1.5 billion currency swap deals with China. PABI Anti-Terror 2021 India, Pakistan and China to hold anti-terror exercise. China and Russia inks to MOU to jointly build lunar space station. China surpasses the US to become the India's top trader partner. China overtakes the US as largest trading partner of European Union. China surpasses the United States as the largest recipient of FDI. China overtakes the Germany as the largest current account surplus country. IFO report. India Vietnamese Navy conduct the passage exercise 2020 in South China Sea. About China. China capital is Beijing. Currency renminbi. President Xi Jinping. National flower plum blossom. National tree ginkgo. national bird red-crowned crane, golden peasant. National animal Chinese dragon, giant panda. National fruit Fuji, kiwi fruits, jujube. National sports table tennis, Central Bank of China, People's Bank of China. Which app has been launched by the CBSE for the mental well-being of a student? Dost for Life. CBSE has launched the Dost for Life app for the mental well-being of the student. The app will provide the physiological counseling to the students studying in CBSE affiliated school. Which of the following has become the first Chinese film to get the approval from WHO for emergency use of its COVID vaccine? Sinopharm. Who has become the CMD and THDCIL? Bijay Goyal. Sri Bijay Goyal has become the chairman and managing director of THDCIL, formerly known as the Tehri Hydroelectricity Development Corporation Limited. It is a schedule of mini Ratna PSU wholly owned by NTPC. Scientist Manas Bihari Burma passed away recently. He was the key figure behind the development of LCA Tejas. Manas Bihari Burma was the key figure behind the development of light combat aircraft Tejas. He was also honored the Padma Shri Award for his contribution in India aerospace technology. Which financial institution has launched the सावधान रहें साफ रहें public awareness campaign? Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance has launched the सावधान रहें साफ रहें public awareness campaign. The awareness campaign aims to make the people aware of the risk of financial fraud and the way to avoid them. Awareness campaign in news. RBI rope in Punjabi roper for awareness campaign on cyber fraud. IDFC Mutual Fund unveils new investor awareness campaign. Passion को रोको मत. NPCI launches UPI awareness campaign. UPI चलेगा. Assam starts door-to-door COVID awareness campaign as case rise. Deccan Festival is famous festival in Andhra Pradesh. Who is the currently governor of Gujarat? Acharya Devrat. Who is the currently prime minister of Bhutan? Lothe Tshering. When is the National Technology Day observed? So 11 May. Who is the author of the book Living Mountain? Amitabh Ghosh. In which Indian state is the Mollem National Park situated? Goa. Nilgiri Mountain Railway is located in which part of India? Tamil Nadu. The United Nations Population Fund UNFPA has its headquarters in which place? New York. In which state in the Kenan Stadium is situated? Jharkhand. Thank you.